What's up, guys? And today I am going to be teaching you guys about prime numbers. And stay tuned because I am going to be sharing with you 3 tips about how to become a master at prime numbers. Let's go. A prime number is a number which is divisible by itself and 1. Whereas a composite number is a number which is, well, any number other than a prime number. So, an example of a composite number is 9. It is divisible by 1, 3, and 9, not just itself and 1. So, an example of a prime number is 2. 2 is divisible by itself and 1, and only itself and 1, so that makes it a prime number. Now, let's get into some problems, and hopefully this will start to click into your brain. So, we're here with the word problems, and question 1 is, which of these numbers is prime? 8, 12, 21, or 19? Well, 8 is even, so it must be divisible by 2. So that means it is not composite, and so are the other even numbers. So let's cross out 8 and 12, since they are both even. Now 21 is divisible by 7 and 3, as you would remember if you knew your factors. And so that is composite. So the only number left is 19, which is not divisible by anything but itself and 1. So 19 is the prime number. Question 2. Which of these numbers is prime? 6, 9, 14, or 23? So once again, we can cross out all the even numbers. And we're left with 9 and 23. 9 is 3 times 3, so it is divisible by 3. So we can cross out 9. And all we have left is 23, which is divisible by nothing but itself and 1. So 23 is our prime number. So now, third question is, which of these numbers is composite? 5, 3, 18, or 29? Well, once again, we cannot cross out the even numbers this time. So the even number is actually composite. So there's only one even number here, and that's 18, so that must be the composite number. But let's just check. So 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 as always. And 3, same, 1 and 3. 29, well, not that I can think of, so our answer is 18. 18 is the composite number. So now, let's go to our fourth problem. We're here with question 4 and 5. Question 4 is, which of these numbers is composite? Well, we're not able to tell yet, because none of them are even, so we can't cross out the odd numbers. So, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, 1, and 9. So we already know that only one of these numbers is composite. So we can cross out the other ones, and 9 is the the composite number, sorry. I can't talk today. Question 5. I know this looks like a hard one, and it is. So, Lucy is thinking of an awesomely complicated number. I know, right? To get her heavenly number, you have to add the first 5 prime numbers, then add 4. I can't talk today. Take their sum and divide the sum by 4, then add 4 to the quotient. What number is Lucy thinking of? So first, let's add the first 5 prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, right? So let's write them down. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So when we add this, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 11 is 28. 28 is our answer, but we're not done yet. So it says take their sum and divide the sum by 4 right here. Let me just underline this. So we take the sum and we divide it by 4. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. So 7. And then the last step here. Then add 4 to the quotient. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So 11 is our answer. So now for our 3 tips that I've been mentioning. So the first tip to identifying a prime number is first divide the number by 2. If you don't get a whole number, divide it by the rest of the prime numbers, like 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So you get what I mean. Tip number 2. Sorry, I cannot talk today. So, tip number 2. Well, the reason I haven't been including 0 and 1 in this prime number and composite number video is because, well, they're not considered prime or composite numbers. They're just numbers. I mean, they're not prime numbers and they're not composite numbers. So, yeah, just don't think about 0 and 1. And if a question is asked to you, look at this. Look at this table, like fill in, hey, is this number prime, composite, or neither? And you see 1 or 0 on there, you're going to fill in neither because they are not, I repeat, not prime or composite numbers. This is very important. So, yeah, keep a lookout for that. Well, on to tip number 3. Tip number 3 is 2 is the only even prime number. So any other even number is a composite number. So if you're trying to find a prime number and you're thinking, hey, is 68 a prime number? Well, you know 68 is an even number, so it can't be a prime number. I've mentioned this in this video several times, but yeah, I just want to, mention it again because this is also really important. So, yeah, those are the 3 tips. I hope you found this video helpful, and please comment for more video ideas. You can pretty much ask for anything to learn. I mean, like gaming, you could do math, you could do any subject, you could do even cooking. The options are endless. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and do whatever you do. And also click that bell button, and I'll see you in the next one.